The dawn of Islam. A new faith emerges in Mecca. In the heart of the Arabian Peninsula, nestled amongst barren hills, lay Mecca. This bustling city, a hub for trade and pilgrimage, was where a profound spiritual awakening would soon unfold. In 610 CE, Muhammad received his first revelation from Allah through the angel Jibril. This divine message emphasized the oneness of Allah and the importance of compassion, justice, and submission to the divine will. Muhammad's message resonated with many, particularly those marginalized and seeking spiritual solace. However, the new faith also faced opposition from those in power who felt threatened by its growing influence. The Prophet's message, finding followers in a time of change. Despite facing resistance and persecution, Muhammad continued to share the revelations he received, gradually attracting followers drawn to the message of Islam. These early converts, known as Muslims, came from diverse backgrounds. United by their belief in one Allah and the teachings of the Prophet, this fledgling community faced increasing pressure and hostility from the ruling tribes of Mecca. The Quran, revealed gradually over time, served as a source of guidance and inspiration for the growing Muslim community. Muhammad, as the final prophet in a long line of messengers, emphasized the importance of living a life guided by Allah's will as revealed in the Quran. As the Muslim community expanded, so too did the opposition they faced. However, these trials only strengthened the resolve of the early Muslims, deepening their faith and commitment to the message of Islam. Journey to Medina, seeking refuge and building a community. In the face of mounting persecution, the Prophet Muhammad received a divine command from Angel Jibril to migrate to the city of Yathrib, later known as Medina. This event, known as the Hijra or migration, in 622 CE marks a pivotal moment in Islamic history. The journey from Mecca to Medina was fraught with danger, as the Quraysh were determined to prevent Muhammad's escape. However, guided by faith and aided by loyal companions, Muhammad and his followers successfully reached Medina, where they were welcomed with open arms. Upon arriving in Medina, Muhammad established a constitution known as the Charter of Medina, which laid the groundwork for a pluralistic society where Muslims and non-Muslims could coexist peacefully. The Muslims, now a growing community with a defined social and political structure, found themselves defending against attacks from hostile tribes who sought to destroy this nascent faith. The return to Mecca, establishing a spiritual center. Despite facing numerous challenges and engaging in defensive battles, the Muslim community in Medina continued to grow in strength and influence. After years of conflict and negotiation, the Prophet Muhammad, leading a large contingent of his followers, returned to Mecca in 630 CE. This triumphant return, known as the Conquest of Mecca, was remarkably peaceful. Instead of seeking revenge for past persecution, Muhammad offered forgiveness and reconciliation, demonstrating the compassionate heart of Islam. Upon entering Mecca, Muhammad, in a symbolic act of purification, cleansed the Kaaba of the idols that had come to represent polytheistic practices. By the time of Muhammad's death in 632 CE, Islam had spread throughout much of Arabia, laying the foundation for the remarkable expansion that would follow. Expansion beyond Arabia, spreading the word through trade and diplomacy. After the Prophet Muhammad's death, Abu Bakr became the first caliph. Early caliphs, close companions of the Prophet, consolidated the Muslim state. Under the Rashidun Caliphate, Islam spread rapidly across the Middle East and North Africa. This expansion was driven by military prowess, Islam's message, and trade routes. Muslim merchants spread Islam along trade routes, leading to new communities. Section 6. The rise of caliphates, leaders guiding the growing Muslim world. The rapid expansion of the early Islamic empire led to the establishment of powerful caliphates that ruled over vast territories. The Umayyad Caliphate, established in 661 CE with its capital in Damascus, oversaw a period of significant territorial expansion and cultural development. The Abbasid Caliphate, which overthrew the Umayyads in 750 CE, shifted the center of the Islamic world eastward to Baghdad. The Abbasids ushered in a golden age of Islamic civilization, characterized by intellectual ferment, scientific advancements, and artistic flourishing. Baghdad became a renowned center of learning, attracting scholars and thinkers from across the known world. Despite internal challenges and external threats, the caliphates managed to maintain a remarkable degree of unity and stability, overseeing a period of unprecedented growth and prosperity for the Muslim world. Section 7. Cultural exchange and innovation. Islamic influence on science, art and philosophy. As the Islamic Empire expanded, it came into contact with a diverse array of cultures and traditions. This interaction led to a vibrant exchange of ideas, knowledge and artistic influences. Muslim scholars translated and preserved ancient Greek and Roman texts, making them accessible to the world and laying the foundation for the European Renaissance centuries later. Islamic civilization made significant contributions to a wide range of fields, including mathematics, astronomy, medicine and architecture. Al-Khwarizmi, a Persian mathematician, developed algebra, which revolutionized the field and laid the groundwork for future advancements. Islamic art and architecture, known for their intricate geometric patterns, calligraphy and decorative motifs, left an indelible mark on the world. Section 8. A legacy of faith, Islam's enduring impact on the world. From its humble beginnings in the Arabian Peninsula, Islam spread rapidly, transforming vast regions. Guided by the Quran and the Prophet Muhammad, Muslims established a rich civilization contributing to knowledge, art and philosophy. Today, Islam is the world's second largest religion, with over 1.8 billion followers. Despite challenges, Islam remains a source of guidance and inspiration for millions. If you don't like missing out but still want to stay ahead, then hit subscribe now. Your support fuels our journey. Join our community and let's explore together. Hit like, subscribe and share the Caliphate Chronicles